Don't look so confused, little duck. These 3 addition tricks make math simple. Let's dive in.
First, use your fingers. Let's try 3 plus 2. Show 3 fingers, now 2 more. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now, let's jump on a number line. Starts at number 4. Jump 3 steps forward. 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Here's a smart trick. If you are adding 3 plus 2, which number is bigger? Yes, 3. So we start from 3. We already have 3. Now count 2 more. 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now for bigger numbers like 23 plus 2. Let's try a big number. 23 plus 2. We don't count from 1. That's too slow. Start from 23. Now count 2 more. 24, 25. 23 plus 2 equals 25.
1. Which trick did you like? Let us know and make sure to subscribe.